Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you have an administrator account on the local PC. This ensures permission to inspect saved credentials without interruption. Next, disconnect other remote sessions and close remote desktop clients before you proceed. That avoids credential conflicts and false positives during checks. Finally, record the target PC name or IP address and the specific user account you plan to inspect. Keep that information handy, because you will need it for the Credential Manager and any audit logs. Open Control Panel and navigate to Credential Manager, then select Windows Credentials. In the Windows Credentials list, find saved entries that reference the target PC name or IP address. Select the matching entry and click Details or Edit to view its stored properties. Windows will not always reveal the actual password text for security reasons. If the password is not revealed, plan to reset the remote account password on the target machine or through Active Directory if you have domain control. If the remote account is domain joined, use Active Directory users and computers to reset the account password when permitted. For local accounts, change the local user password directly on the target PC while logged in or via an admin remote command. Review Event Viewer and remote desktop logs for failed authentication attempts and timestamps to detect compromise. Finally, enable multi-factor authentication and rotate passwords after any credential exposure to maintain security and reduce future risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.